All right, like previously, I'd like to share with you from the beginning, on this journey of ours and how we started these extended dreadlocks. So, this video is going to be a little bit somehow long, but I think this is the right video that you are waiting for, and most of your questions are going to be answered today. Yes, these are the extended dreads, and I always like to explain to you, and I always explain to you, like, these dreads, whenever you do them, you have to unplait them. Like, after, you can unlock them and remain with your hair. So I would like to take you through this video because I didn't post it on this channel. This was from the Hair by Clippers. I did it like 5 months ago, and we decided to lock her hair, like as you're going to be seeing in this video. And after locking her hair, there are a lot of questions that came to me, people asking me that I'm doing the dreads nicely, but they don't know how to unlock them. So this video is when I'm going to prove everyone, because most of them, they thought that maybe when it comes to unplaiting them, the dreads are going to break their hair, or it cannot be unlocked. So this time around, I'm going to make it right for you so that you can see the right thing, and you will prove it yourself that these dreadlocks can be unlocked. So in this video, these are the dreads that we did previously 5 months ago, and now we have come to unplait them. This is how they look. But before we go further, please make it a point by clicking the red button, ring the bell, so that we start together and we go through together with our journey. These are the extended dread, but now let's go to the main video of unlocking them. This is how they looked before previously. So let's go through to see how to unlock these extended dreadlocks.
Morris, the crochet master.
All right, yes, thank you so much for loving Morris the crochet master, and thank you so much for those ones who are subscribing, those ones who have tried to learn, and those ones who have trying to give me the feedback on how they are learning from me. I really do appreciate, and it's my pleasure. So this time around, I would like to welcome you in this video. Let's watch it, and but from that, you will always take my words that I always be telling you, because most of you guys said a lot about these extended dreads, and I told you that they're temporary, but most of you guys kept on asking me the same questions. Others would say, no, it is not possible. The way it is plated cannot be unplated or unlocked. So this time around, this is the video that you have been waiting for, so that you can also prove it yourself that my extended dreads can be unlocked and you remain with your hair protected. So this is how we unlock them. Remember, if I try to explain about this, but before, my name is Maurice the crochet master, and good evening, good afternoon, good morning to everyone, wherever you are in each country that you're in. I really do appreciate for those ones who love, who like my videos, they share, and they do the real comments. Thank you so much. So if I try to explain more about this, like last time, the way we played our extended dreads, it is very different. If you've been following all my videos that I've been showing you on how to do these extended dreads, is that it is different in that we do it like side by side. We use the hair, we use the your hair to lock it. So when you're going to unplait it, it is always easy, like you be seeing your hair and then you remove it from the extension without cutting off your hair. So this is what I can always explain about these extended dreads. And you get most of you guys who have been saying that maybe these extended dreads cannot be unlocked, at least you're going to prove yourself wrong. I don't know. Yes, I've proved you wrong about this, because you can unplait it. And now imagine this was natural hair, you understand? And natural hair is always very hard, by the way, when it comes to dreads, to say that you're going to unplait it and stay with your hair back. Sometimes it is very, very hard, because natural hair, when overstay with it, sometimes it becomes very hard to unlock it. But this time around, you're seeing how very easy it is unlocking these extended dreads. And yes, the only thing I can say about it is that you should always know the time to to repair it, because most of the times the hair can always break when it is the repairing time. You find someone has grown their hair, and it has you did dreadlocks and they have stayed for like 6 months without repairing. And if somebody is going to repair you, somebody just repairs, then that one is very, very dangerous. Because what I know, when you have a lot of growth and you have temporary dreadlocks, you don't need to lock it, you don't need to repair it. At least maybe you can unplait it. That is something I would like to advise you guys. So we should always try to repair these extended dreads in like 3 months. Yes, 3 months to 4. But 4, there are those people who for them their hair doesn't grow that fast. But to those, if you know your hair grows fast, please, you should always try to repair it after 3 months, so that your hair does not grow much. And the extension, you always see the extensions are always far from the dreadlocks. So they're always far from the hair. You find the extension is on top, like very far, and the remaining is the hair only. So you should always try to avoid that, because it is not good at all. So when you as a hairdresser say that maybe the extension has moved from the root, the only thing you can do, don't just repair from there, just unlock it, remove it, and then you lock it again, so that it can start back from the root. That would be the good thing. So I'm just very happy that at least I've proved wrong some of you guys who always those who go in my comment section and they say, yeah, my dreads are trash. I'm lying to people. Maybe I'm trying to market myself, like I'm lying to people that these extended dreads can be unlocked. And if you get the chance of watching this video, I think you will have to it should be at least you should apologize, because that would be the good thing, you understand? Because yes, you don't need to keep arguing on some things at least you don't know, you understand? Yeah, you just have to argue on some things at least you know. So now if you have seen all these, then it means now you cannot say anything about it. So this is my extended dreadlocks, and trust me, they're very, very nice. If I can try to tell you another thing, is that when we unplaited her, then we plaited her the next hairstyle. It was not dreadlocks, but it was those inside knotless braids. You can see them on my videos. Like I posted like 2 weeks back. Yes, I posted a video of her. So was just that very day we unlocked her hair, and then we had to lock her hair again. So if you try to look here, try to see here a little bit, like he's looking for the hair, and you can see the way it is passing through the extension. So you can be seeing it when you unlocking. The only thing you have to do it is to know the ending point, because like as we are ending it from down, we always bring the hair back. So if you know where like they stop the hair when they are bringing it back, it is always easy for you to unlock it very very fast, as you can see what he's doing right here. You see how it is. So this is very very simple, in that the way you can be looking at the hair, you look at the hair and it becomes very simple for you to unlock it. And even I believe if you have some good time, you can you can unlock it yourself, but though it would need to be unlocked by somebody so that you don't cut off your hair. Yes. So this is how it is, and I would like to shout out everyone who have been with me ever since we started. Thank you so much. I love you so much. And those ones who are sending their gifts, yes, I really love them. And I would like to shout out everyone who is watching me from United States of America. Those ones in United Kingdom. Those ones in Trinidad. Yes, those ones in Jamaica, Canada, German, France. Those ones in Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya, Nairobi. Yes, I love you so much. And they're also my friends from South Africa. Yes, thank you so much for watching Maurice the Crochet Master. And I think for now, when we unplait these dreadlocks, the only thing we have to do is to prepare our hair, like washing it. We treat it, we wash it with after you treat it very well, so that it can come back to its texture, like it's how like to have that breathing space like as usual. So those are the steps that you do after unlocking these dreadlocks. But remember, after doing that, all the unlocking, we always have to apply the moisturizer, or if you have a detangler, you have to add it on. And that one is always with the natural hair only. Yes, don't do it with the straight hair. You spray the detangler, or first moisturize it, and then you try to comb it before going to wash it. Then after, you can go wash it. So this was my good lesson for you today, and I hope guys you're going to enjoy it. Please, you can like, share, comment, yes, so that we keep in touch. I'm going to sign out, and I just know I love you so much, and may God bless you. Thank you for loving Maurice the Crochet Master. Yes, and I do love you back. Bye bye. May God bless you all.